Hey, welcome to Mac's Garage. I'm Mac and this is my 2000 Jeep Cherokee. So today we're going to be doing the heater core and the evaporator core. The heater core is leaking onto the carpet, and then while we're in there we might as well just change the evaporator core considering how much of a pain in the butt it is to take the dash out. So the last video we took the dash out. This video will at least complete that, where next video we'll probably change the radio and put the dash back. So let's get to it. All right, so right here is the evaporator core that we're gonna have to disconnect these lines. Right here is the heater core. We're gonna have to disconnect these lines. I'm gonna have to get all this stuff out of the way. There's a bolt right here, 2 bolts right around the evaporator core, and then 3 or 4 bolts behind the engine block. So let's get to it. All right, so I gotta take this bolt out. Okay. All right, and then these 2 bolts we'll move that out of the way. Okay, so these clips just hold the line together. So. Okay. All right, so there's like 6 bolts that bolt the box in, and one is right here. There's one that's right underneath where the evaporator core attached, right here. That's one. There's a second one right below that one. Okay. All right, so I didn't find the stubby one. So here we are with a ratcheting wrench. And while it is very short, it should do the trick. And the thing that was on here before, I just had to twist off, but I couldn't figure out what it was earlier. All right, so in here, you need to disconnect the wire, whatever wires are connected to the dash. So there's only one set. Oh, okay, there we go. That was easy. The other one is over here, but I don't really know if it's gonna come out with the box. So we're gonna wiggly it out and see. All right, so getting that out was a 2-person job because I was one of those people. But I had to hold the dash out in order for this to be able to be removed, so that didn't happen on camera. That being said, so now we gotta remove the blower motor right here and then remove the top part of the box. There's clips in the front. Let's just do that. So that's those clips, and then take the blower motor out. Okay. All right. So this piece just pulls out. All right, so this just slides right back in. All right, so I glued the foam seal on. It doesn't really seem to have stuck very well, but it's going in the box, it'll be fine. So this lovely gasket goes right there. All right, so I'm gonna put the box back together. That lines up. All right, so it just needed some elbow grease, and we're gonna clip these back on. So now we just have to get the box back in there, and again, because I am one of the 2 people, it will take 2 of us to get it in there. So once it's in, we'll come back on so you can see how we actually get it all put back in with the heater core and the evaporator core. Now, these back up and out of the way. Okay, so we got to connect these two back here and then connect these two back here. The heater core one should just go right back on. Okay. Okay, both of these. Just take off that. And this. Okay. So now, all right, so I'm gonna put the high pressure side in first. Pull this thing back in. And then put the clips back on. Okay, and then this has to go back on as well. This goes here. Last one, and then we just have to get what's was connected to the box to the dash. All right, so this green one connects back. Wire down here. Okay, now the dash gets to go back. That we will do when we put the radio in. Anyways, so it's safe to say I will never ever in my life put a heater core or an evaporator core in a vehicle again. That I'm too little for this. Anyway, so I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe below and come back next week to see us put the dash back together and put the radio in.